What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul, and you are watching the Deal Finder. Friday, February 28th. In today's video, we have Costco's 30 huge clearance deals, and you need to hurry before they're gone. And let's not waste any time, friends. Let's get right into the video. In the number one spot, we have the 6.5-foot fig tree. Now, it's very lifelike, has wire stems in there. That way you can shape it. You can make it more and more realistic. Pretty nice. Now, this is for indoor use, obviously, but check out that price, down to $99 even. That's a manager special. Anytime you see a 00, it's a manager special specific to that warehouse. Now these are very nice too, those 12-inch faux hydrangeas, very cool. Now these in front of us, we've gone over these fairy fusion candles quite a few times on my channel. They have a remote control. We're not going to waste too much time on them, just a couple of seconds. Let me show you the price and let's move on. $9.97 on clearance. They did bring it to the front of the warehouse. They need to get rid of these. And just a quick reminder, friends, do not forget about our giveaway, a free Costco membership. To enter, you have to head over to my Instagram page, click the link, and then follow the directions from there. If you need help, wait till the end of this video. I am going to give you a step-by-step instructions on how to enter. And now in the number 3 spot from Elena, we have their soft table and 2 ottomans directly in front of me. Now this is a package deal and it's priced very, very well. It's constructed from rubber wood solids and it has a birch veneer. Now those 2 ottomans, they open up and they have storage inside. They have nice casters on the bottom, that way you can roll them around. Very nice build here, I do like it. Very useful, you can set it behind the couch. You can use it as a console table. You can use it as a bar. Pretty cool. Now it does have adjustable levers on the sofa table, which is awesome as well. This is priced at $299.97. And next up from Bayside, we have their 72-inch ladder bookcase. Now I do love the design of a ladder bookcase. Looks pretty great in that picture. It's pressed up against that shiplap wall and it works very well. Now this is constructed out of rubber wood solids, has a birch veneer, and it is painted gray. Now unfortunately those shelves are fixed into place. We do get 5. They are not adjustable. But this unit is pretty versatile. It's great for any storage space, which I love. Here at Costco, they did bring the price down a little bit, but I do suspect, like probably next week, it's going to drop in price even more, $119.97. And to my right, in the number 5 spot, we have a great armchair available. Now this chair does look pretty amazing. Let's have a look at it. It does have a deep, deep, rich chocolate brown color, which I love. Also, it's made out of leather. Perfect for an office, maybe a waiting room. You can use this in your business. This is a great looking chair, very, very comfortable and durable. I did sit in it, so it's not too narrow. It does have some decent width to it. Here at the warehouse, it's on clearance. The normal price is $499, but today on clearance, they brought the price down to $349.97. And I do want to mention, when it comes to furniture at Costco, it goes very, very quickly, especially couches, sofas, recliners. A lot of people wait to pick them up. A lot of employees grab them. So I did want to mention that you have a limited amount of time before it goes very quickly. So I do want to give you a pro tip when you're walking around Costco, how to be aware, what to look out for. We can see this computer directly in front of me. Now what we know about this computer is it was from Costco's coupon book. Now they brought the price down a little bit, $300 off, priced at $13.99, and it did sell out at a lot of places. Sold out pretty quickly. The specs on it were amazing. It's a very, very good gaming computer. So today I'm walking through Costco and I noticed the 3 computers again, but the position on them are very funny. It looks very funny up top, very congested, and right below I don't see all the boxes for everything. And look what I find. Boom. I turn it around and look what we have here. A manager special on the RTX 4070, the Slate Mesh 8. What a steal. What a find. That's such a steal. Now that was from Costco's coupon book for February. I have it there for $1,200. I grabbed that for myself. If you know, you know. Leave a comment below. And then right behind me, a lot of people would just walk by and not even notice this. We can see here the TP-Link mesh router system. But if you look closely, we have 2 different models. The top one is the Wi-Fi 6. The bottom one is Wi-Fi 7. Now there's only one left. A lot of people would just walk by, they wouldn't even notice. Now this is on clearance for $199.97. The Wi-Fi 7 model is priced at $499. So a pretty big difference here. A lot of people would walk by. This is just a great example of what to keep your eyes out for when you are walking through Costco. You can find some clearance, you just got to be aware. And now from Dyson, we do have another price drop here. We have their purifying fan. Now this fan, not only does it heat, purifies, but it cools as well. It does all three, which is pretty nice. What I like about this fan is I like the design of it. It looks pretty nice. And I like how it has all three features. Now it does have a fully sealed HEPA purifier, which traps airs, allergens, gases, and smoke. Has that H13 filter. Another cool feature, if there's any pollution in the air, it does give you a report in real time on the screen. It's priced on clearance $299.97. Already preloaded on a dolly cart, ready for one lucky customer. From Thomasville, we have their fabric oversized chair and a storage ottoman, which is included. Now this does have an ultra soft, furry corduroy fabric to it, which I like. Pretty cool design here. I don't mind it at all. Does come with two large pillows, which are included. We can see here. Now the original price, $499. They brought it down to $240 even. What a steal. Let's head to the front of the warehouse and see what sectionals are on clearance. In the number 10 spot from Aria, we have their sleeper sectional. Now the chase on this sectional is reversible. We can see there right next to the chase those two grab handles. If you pull that, it has a pull-out feature that converts the sectional into a bed. Also has 4 power outlets on this sectional, has 4 USB ports as well. You can remove the back cushions, and this does have a pocket coil seat cushion design to it, which I like. Now at Costco.com, it's priced at $17.99. Here at the warehouse, check out that price, $6.99 after the rebate. What an amazing price. And then moving down to my right, also from Thomasville, we have their marginal sectional, a 6-piece set, a beautiful dark gray, and it does come with that storage ottoman directly in front of me. Now I like this modern style, it's a clean look. What's nice about this sectional, it's modular, meaning you can move each piece in any way direction you want. You can configure it the way you want. You can make a nice L shape, you can make a U shape, you can make everything one row. That's what's nice about this set. So it's pretty cool, has that tough seat design, you can see right there, those tough cushions. I like that too as well. Now the construction is pretty good. Now the reviews online are amazing here. Online it's on sale for $14.99. Here at the warehouse, manager special, $1,100. Now I am struggling in this video, so hope you do enjoy it. If I sound off, that's because I am. I'm not sure what's going on. I keep on fumbling over my own words. So hopefully you are enjoying the video so far. If you do, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Right in front of us, we have another 6-piece fabric sofa. This is modular as well. It's a light brown, even though it looks gray. Now it does include 6 matching pillows, which is nice, and a matching ottoman we can see there. Pretty comfortable looking sofa here. So if you do decide to pick this up at Costco, you can always head over to Costco.com, and they have extra pieces so you can add to this sectional, which is nice. So right in front of us, this is priced at $16.99.97. And just because the price is on clearance here at the warehouse at Costco, it doesn't mean that price is the best price ever. Sometimes the sale price is better than the clearance price. You do have to examine the price before you spend your money. This one right in front of us from Universal Broadmoor, we have the Pelham Swivel Desk. Now when you're looking at a price, look at the regular price and then try to compare it. Make sure you're getting at least a 30% discount, or don't even bother buying it. If you don't know the price, just search it online. Right in front of us, $4.99 down to $4.49. Not that great of a discount, only $50 off. I would expect a little bit more than that. We also have a couple of grocery items I do want to show you. This one from Kinder's, we have their buttery buffalo sauce here. Now it does have some ingredients a lot of people may not like. It has that sunflower oil, and it does have natural flavors, 25 calories per serving, but it's on clearance, so some of you may like that even better. Let's check out that clearance price, $3.97. We do get 23.5 ounces. And we also have the Tostitos right next to it, the salsa con queso medium heat here. Now we have 2 huge bottles. Each bottle is 23 ounces, so that is a lot of queso. Anyways, friends, let's check out the calories on the back. 40 calories per serving, only 5 carbs, and then less than 1 gram of protein per serving. Check out that price, $4.97 on clearance. We also have the viral social media peaches available at Costco on clearance. Here they are, the peaches in a light syrup. These are delicious. Just make sure if you do buy them, you get them nice and cold before you dig into them. You do have to refrigerate once you open them, but they are pretty amazing. Let's check out those macros. Now, a half a peach is 90 calories. It does have 23 grams of carbs and 7 grams of added sugar. Check out that clearance price for almost 6 pounds of peaches, $4.97. And here we have the very popular Olive Garden. Unfortunately, we're not looking at breadsticks. We are looking at their signature Italian dressing. Now, we do get 2 big bottles. Each bottle is 28 ounces, 80 calories per serving, 2 tablespoons. Also has 2 grams of carbs and no protein. But let's have a look at that clearance price. Almost gone in my warehouse, $3.97. We also have a huge bottle of pickles. Check out these pickles from Mount Olive. Now, these are the dill kosher pickles. They're full. You do have to cut them up if you prefer them. That's the way I like it. Since 1926 here, they are in a nice glass jar, which I love. Now, these are on clearance. We do get 1 gallon of pickles here. That's a lot of pickles here. And the ingredients are not bad as well. They do have natural flavors. But let's check out that clearance price, $3.97. And I'll give you one more really quickly. We have the fried rice, the Korean barbecue flavor. We do get 12 bowls. This is a 12 pack, which I like. 360 calories per bowl, 63 carbs, and 9 grams of added sugar. Also has 9 grams of protein, which I like. Let's check out that price, $5.97, basically $1 per bowl. And now for the ladies, we have the DKNY in front of us. This is the ladies seamless bra. Now these do come in a 2-pack here at the warehouse, and the colors do vary. So what we have here is a nice back closure, adjustable straps, and they do have a nice soft stretch fabric, which a lot of people love. Great reviews on these bras. Now these are on clearance. They were on clearance at Costco.com, but they did sell out very quickly. Here at the warehouse, $9.97. And now for the men's, we have the Orvis flannel shirts. Check these out. It has a nice regular fit, a spread collar, has 2 chest pockets with buttons, which I like, 2 side pockets, which is nice as well, 3 different colors available, and we have sizes all the way up to 3XL, but though 3XL is only available at Costco.com, here at the warehouse, 2XL, $14.97, the same price at Costco.com. We also have the Kirkland joggers on clearance as well. These are the men's lounge pants, multiple sizes available in these, a few colors, $9.97, another great price. I do want to head down to the tool aisle. I want to show you this air compressor. Here it is in the number 22 spot from Campbell. We have their 8-gallon portable quiet air compressor. Now this does have an oil-free compressor pump, meaning it has very low maintenance, operates on 120 volts, it has a max PSI of 125, it has a decibel reading at 65, which is very quiet. That's what I like about it. Now here at the warehouse, it's priced at $139.97. We can see it on display. Not too big, it's not too heavy either, even though it might look like it weighs a lot. $139.97. In the number 23rd spot, this time from NutriBullet, we have their Ultra Deluxe Single Serve Blender with amazing reviews at Costco.com. This does have a very powerful motor at 1200 watts. Now, a lot of people love this. Why? Because it's ultra sleek, very durable, and very powerful, just like it says on the box. They give you 4 cups. 4 cups are included, 2 24-ounce cups and 2 32-ounce cups. They even give you 4 stainless steel straws, which I like. It's very small, very compact, doesn't take up too much counter space, and it looks pretty nice. I do like the extra accessories in this deluxe pack. I also like the 5-year limited warranty, and I really love the compact design of this unit. Pretty cool. Now this is priced $79.97 on clearance. You can pick it up at Costco.com for the same exact price. And we do have a good amount of new printers available at Costco, but that means some have to go. Now this one from Epson, we have their EcoTank ET2850. Now me personally, I like the 3850 right next to it to my left. The 2850, the price is okay. If it comes down another 100, I would say buy it. If not, I would probably grab the 3850 to my left. Now a lot of people love the EcoTank. Why? Because it has the cool bottles it comes with, the ink bottles, and all you gotta do is flip up this cover. You don't just flip up the lid, and then you just dump that bottle right in there, and it fills up the tank, and you're good to go. The ink lasts a long time. Very popular printer here. It's an all-in-one printer, $199.97. I say if it drops down to $100, I would say buy it. And then to my right, we also have the very popular Donkey Kong for the Nintendo Switch. Now this is going to sell pretty quickly if it drops down a little bit more. $39 is definitely a buy, but if it goes down to $29, even $19, that's a steal. We have the Donkey Kong Returns HD for the Nintendo Switch. Great reviews on this game. If it comes down, or if you have a loved one that needs a gift coming up, this would make a great gift for anybody who loves video games. Here we have it, the Donkey Kong for Nintendo Switch. Check out that price, $39.97. I would definitely wait. It's going to drop even more. Not too many Legos left, but we still have a few sets available. We have a few left of the Lego Good Fortune. This is on clearance for $59.97, but if you head over to Costco.com, you can buy a bundle set on clearance there as well. Here at the warehouse, you can just buy the Good Fortune. Still a great set. Definitely pick it up if your Costco has it. $59.97. And then to my left, we have the very popular Pretty Pink Flower set. Now, this is $44.99 and it has been marked discontinued. We can see the Death Star in the top right corner. To my right, we also have the very popular Lego Botanicals. Now, this has also been marked discontinued. We can see the Death Star in the top right corner. $21.99. To the right of that, from New Year's, we have the very popular Love set. Not a big seller, but a very popular. Now, this has been marked on clearance for $49.97. We even have a new Lego set that's new here to Costco. I didn't cover it, but here it is. We have the Lego Fountain Garden set that's new here to Costco, $75.99. In the number 29 spot, this time from Chefman, we have their electric warming tray. Now, what's nice about this tray is it has an adjustable temperature control, has amazing reviews at Costco.com. A lot of people love this. Also, it's 21 inches by 16 inches, so it is a good size. You can buy two and double them up. Pretty cool, very easy to clean because it has that glass tempered top, and it looks pretty nice too. Has black stainless steel accent, so it all blends in together very nicely. Now check out that price, $29.97. You can pick it up at Costco.com for the same clearance price, $29.97. And just a quick reminder, friends, make sure you stay to the very end. I do want to show you step-by-step instructions on how to enter that free giveaway. Make sure you have an Instagram account. Now, this one in the number 30 spot from Simple Perfect, we have the 44 pounds of cat litter here. Has 4 times the protection. It's a scoopable cat litter, but the price is even better. Check out this price, only $7.97. We do get 44 pounds of it. Now, it fights odors, it fights urine, $7.97. You can always grab that item number in the top left-hand corner. Call your local Costco to see if they have it in stock. Let's just do the step-by-step instructions now, and then we'll end the video after that. Just give me 1 second. So here we are, friends, on my Instagram page at Watch the Deal Finder. A lot of you have been asking, how do I enter the giveaway? Very simple. Under my name, just click this link right here. Click this link, you'll get this pop-up. Click on giveaways right here. Click on giveaways. Then this new screen will pop up. Now here it is. Costco Gold Star membership. Win a free Costco membership. This is the giveaway. So how do you enter? Very simple. You have 3 different ways. You can follow me on YouTube, you can follow me on Instagram, and you can like a photo. If you do all 3, you get 3 different entries, increasing your chance to win. So the giveaway does end tomorrow, March 1st at 6 p.m. So make sure you enter. Click this, and then you can just follow the directions from there. Very simple to do it. So here we have it, friends. Hopefully that does simplify things. Let's head back to the warehouse. Alright, friends, ending the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification, and don't forget to follow us over on Instagram. If you want to support the channel even further, you can always hit that thumbs up button and then leave a comment below. I want everyone to have a wonderful weekend. Let's do another Sam's Club video for the weekend, maybe another Amazon video. We'll see you tomorrow with a new video, friends. Peace.